Now let us write a small code so as to produce square wave. So we'll start with this new project. Then I will go for some name. Then I will make it A. Save. Now at mail, when we want 89C51, this is here. Okay. Say here no, because we are writing assembly language code. So file, then new, and I will type small code using very simple instructions so as to produce square wave. The way we do it using DAC, same thing, same program we can dump, and if we interface DAC at actual, then you will get the same result. You connect the respective port of 80512 DAC D0 to D7 lines and execute like the rest of the connections of supply and give the reference voltage, and you will get the square wave produced. Square wave, triangular wave, ramp wave. So you can generate different waveforms. Here I am generating a simple square wave. I have not calculated or particularly estimated the timeout or the delay. Approximately just I am doing. So 0h, then sjump main. You can use or write your codes from 0h itself, or you can jump to the scratchpad memory. So I prefer that 30h to 7f scratchpad. So intentionally I am making it 30h, and now we want to produce 0 and 1, and with the help of accumulator we can do that. So I have first cleared the accumulator. Now I will make that transfer that 0 into accumulator. Contains to some port. Say for example I am using here port 0. Just bring it back. Now we will call delay. And complement. A call or L call, absolute call, or you can go for this long call. It depends upon how much delay you want. So if it is absolute call, maximum up to FF you can go, and if it is a long call you can extend. So in general I have written L call. You can even write a small code with A call also. Makes not that much difference. For small delays it is okay, no problem. Let's jump. Because routine we are writing just immediately, and our delay is not or the routine call is not that much far, so you can use a call also, no problem. Delay, so our delay routine is the counter I have set in some registers, say for example R3, any one register you can use. Immediately I am transferring one count. So for example I have written here 250, and I will continue because we want to keep that square wave continuously just going on and on. So therefore we will keep this in the loop. We are not going to produce a single pulse and stop, but we want to continue it. So therefore jump here and return from the subroutine, and then you can write end. So this is end of the program, and this is jump up, that is what we want, 0101, this operation we will go to here. Fine. So accumulator will get cleared. Simple program, can just see. Very small routine. This much is our program. org0 is jump main, scratchpad address, main. Now clear accumulator. Accumulator is made 0. Copy the accumulator content to port 0. Then call delay routine. Then CPL is complement accumulator and jump back. Jump back to again copy those contents to P0. And I am writing CPL. So because of that, if earlier it was 0, it will become 1. And if earlier it was 1, then it will become 0. So continuously it will go on doing. And this sjump is going back to here. Delay routine will be here, and the delay routine, what it is doing, it is decrementing the counter until it becomes 0. And for that, how much is the value for counter? We have set to 250. So 250 times it will get executed, and then just it will go back. So this is the simple. Once it returns to main, and complement again is jump. Again it will set the value on the port. If earlier it was 0, now it will make it 1. Then again it will call delay routine. Control will go here. It will calculate, and again it will go back. So like that, this is a simple square wave operation. Now what we will do is we will add this part. First of all, I will save this. So save. Square wave. I will make it 1. See, first waveform dot asm. Save. Now we will take it into source group. So this is add files. Here it will be square wave 1.asm. So add. Now close this. Again go to source group. Click here on the file name and build. So if there is no error, no warning in this window, it will if it is there, then it will appear. Otherwise, just it will show 0 error, 0 warning. Now we will have to start debugging. This debug. This is okay. Now we want, this is going to do like this. Here you can see R3 register and the counter and all, and it will go on to 50 times. Okay, and then only it will come back. So in few seconds it will work. I have not measured it or not calculated it exactly. So we want to see it in the peripheral window. So on port 0, this also I will keep aside, and let me move this window a little bit here. And from my logic analyzer in window, first of all I will take it here. You give the port setup. So setup, what is, which port we have used in the program, so that is P0. This one you close, and now you run it. So instead of showing loop wise, iteration wise, there is nothing happening, only it is remaining in the loop. So there is no need to do single stepping. Directly we will run this. So this is producing the square wave. So little bit zoom in. See, a nice square wave, and here you can see the effect. So this is 1, then 0, and 1, then 0, like that. Few seconds or approximately the time is there in between. This zoom in or zoom out, just it is like this. Okay, so this is our square wave. Once again I will stop and repeat that. So here I will make stop, debug, stop, again I will debug it. Okay. This is the waveform. Okay. This is all about simple square wave operation.